2 right now with Fernando and Greg in the morning. Lady Gaga. She has a brand new album coming up called Art Pop. The release date is November the 8th. She's also releasing new singles from the album in advance of that release date. So get ready. It's going to be all about Lady Gaga. Good morning.
Hello.
It's good to talk to you again.
Fernando.
I love when you sing my name.
Can you add Greg into one of your songs since you put Fernando's name in one of your songs already?
Fernando and Grego. Fernando and Grego.
We're going to do an Alejandro remix with both of our names in there.
Can you use that as your trailer for every time you guys are on the radio now?
I would love to.
We're definitely going to do it now.
That would make me laugh and very happy. That would kind of freak people out, but it's kind of fantastic, no?
Well, since you sang it, we're definitely going to put it in one of our liners, promos.
How are you guys? Good
we
morning.
are so
it's
good. You know what?
There, isn't it?
I had a dream about you last night. Is that weird or what?
Tell me what it was. Was it a sex dream?
It was.
Mine was, but go ahead, Greg.
It was a sex dream. It was a sex dream, Lady Gaga. You were watching me have sex with a hot guy.
Oh, that's erotic. I like that.
It was actually a weird dream because you and I were talking on the phone, and we were just talking, just, oh, hey, what are you doing?
And you were having sex?
No, it wasn't really a sex dream.
Oh, my God. Anyway, sorry, Gaga.
Sorry, no, it's fine. I'm into that sort of thing. I think that sort of thing turns me on. Not every girl, but,
By the way, I wake up every morning to Born This Way. It's on my iPhone wake-up ring.
Thank you. I love that song. I love that song.
I love the entire album. I loved Heavy Metal Lover. I don't know why, but I've listened to it a million times. It is just my favorite song.
I love this album. You know what I love the most about this album is when I look back on it. It's like I look back at it and I see all the photos and everything of what we were doing, and I see myself so deeply entrenched creatively in the meaning and the message of that work, and that's what always makes me excited is when I'm like, wow, I completely lost it. I was in for Born This Way, in for the message, and I still am. Born This Way is kind of like the album of forever for me. I'll never not be campaigning for that record.
Yeah, you put it all. You put it all in there. It's fantastic.
Now you have a new album, Art Pop, that's coming up on November 11th. That's the release date.
Yes, November 11th. Although I'm very pleased, of course, that we're still talking about Born This Way. It makes me feel happy that you brought that up. Art Pop's coming out November 11th, and it is such. I worked so hard on this album. It is such a fun, amazing piece of music. It is such a good time. It's very uplifting. It has a lot of energy in it, and the count. Basically, us counting down to the album starts on iTunes on Tuesday, on October 22nd, coming up this Tuesday. And the first song that's going to come out is "Do What You Want with My Body" with R. Kelly. That comes out Tuesday.
Oh, my God.
Kelly.
I can't wait for you to hear it. I know, R. Kelly, he was so good. When you hear his voice, he sounds amazing. And then a week later, Venus is going to be coming out. And then and that's going to be my next single. That's what we're going to make a video for, and this will be the song that everybody receives at radio. And then the week after that, I'll be releasing a song called "Dope" off the album, and that you will get as an instant grab with your pre-order if you pre-order the album the day the album streams.
Very exciting. All right, hang on, Gaga. More with Lady Gaga next with Fernando and Greg. And Gaga, you are revealing several tracks one by one from your brand new album before it is released. Does that sort of spoil the excitement and the build-up to the brand new album?
No, because I'm so sick. What am I supposed to be doing to promote the album other than using the music? It's like, am I supposed to just parade around and be about my body again and my clothes? It's so fucking boring. I've had this conversation with Interscope. I'm like, can I just please sell my album with the music? Thanks. I worked on this for 2 years. Music is good. Put the music out. The music will sell the record.
I wanted to ask you quickly about this video that I keep watching. I don't know. I think I watch it every day. It's for Applause, but it's like this in a drag bar or something.
Yes, the lyric video.
Yeah, was that a surprise visit from you? What? I mean...
Yeah, well, so I was like, I wanted to make a lyric video for the song. And I thought, let's go see because a lot of our friends do drag there. I know a lot of the girls there. So we were like, let's go surprise the girls, and we'll see if they want to film something. And we told them before we got there, they said, you know, if you were to perform Applause, I wouldn't be disappointed, is what I said to them. So they had a routine planned out to do that, but I didn't really tell them everything. And then right before I left, I said that I would be shooting a lyric video.
Well, did the people in the crowd know that you were going to be there?
Oh, well, I didn't tell them I was going to be there, but I told them I was going to shoot. Well, I shot it myself. I shot it with my camera.
Oh, how cool!
So it's such a cool. Like, I love it. I watch it all the time.
I love it too. I love it so much that it's so amazing. Those, you know, I love drag so much, and I love everything
we had
about
no
it.
idea.
And I really, shocking. It's, you know, and I because, you know, I think a lot of people don't know or see the art form behind it, and it's really, like, it's a whole art form. And when I was, you know, thinking about Applause and when I was filming them, I really got the chills because I said to myself, you know, this song is so fitting for this moment and for this club, this idea of living for the applause, because, you know, this is such a lost thing in our society. Everybody thinks, oh, if you have to put the song out for it to succeed instead of putting the song out for the applause, just for people to cheer. It's not, for me, it's not about winning and making money. It's about making people happy, making things that people love.
Well, guess what? I'm doing my first ever drag performance this weekend.
This is it, Gaga.
Oh, my gosh,
Can
girl.
you believe it?
Yeah.
And my name, it's Dolly Pardon My Mess.
Ah!
Yes.
What are you going to sing? Are you going to sing I Will Always Love You?
No, I am doing Little Bitty Pissant Country Place from Best Little Whorehouse in Texas.
Okay, so what have you done for that? Do you have everything planned for everything? Are you soaping the brows? Are you pulling back the face? Is that what's going on?
Yes, but if you wanted to make a special appearance, you know, that would be welcome as well. I mean, plans can be altered.
I have we have a couple
I would never miss out, except I'm like hopping around the country because I'm trying to, you know, promote my record, but I would really love to be there. And I would really love to be there because that's a very exciting moment. Isn't that like what an incredible moment.
It's going to probably be first and last, but we have a couple of drag queen friends, and they've choreographed the whole thing, and we have six prostitutes, 6 whores on stage with me, and I'm doing the whole thing. I did my first rehearsal this past Saturday.
In fact, Gaga, this is the only morning show you're probably going to talk to that has a drag history. I've done it too. My drag name is Mangelina Jolie.
Mangelina? Oh, yes! Who's doing the lighting?
I don't know. We need to find somebody good with lighting. Can you recommend
good
someone?
Lighting. It's all about the lighting, honey. You need that. Make sure they light you from underneath.
Will you come when you come to town? Will you come visit us in the studio? We'd love to talk to you for a day.
Of course. Yes, I will come by. Of course I will.
All right. So we'll look out for everything. Art Pop is coming up. The release, in fact, the album and the app are coming out November the 11th.
Yes, November the 11th. October 22nd is Do What You Want With My Body with R. Kelly. And the song Venus, my next single, will be out on October the 27th, right before midnight. And Venus will... you'll also be able to hear a snippet of Venus on Friday the 25th.
All right. Awesome. Gaga, we love you, and hopefully we will see you soon, okay?
Thank you. I love you, too. Thank you for a wonderful morning chat.
Anytime.
Anytime. We'll give you a wonderful morning chat.
Yeah.
You know, one thing I wanted to say to her, we're running out of time, though, is I don't know if she wants to tell R. Kelly, do whatever you want with my body. I mean, he has a history.
Yes, he does.
That's a whole nother private...
Yeah, exactly. We won't even get into the details there.
Conversation with Gaga and us.
All right.